Hi, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to tell you about 3 remote jobs that are hiring now. So let's get right into it. The first company we're looking at is National Capital Contracting, and they're looking for a remote transcriber. So let's scroll down and look at the position. NCC's work ranges from health, medical, legal, and academic content to financial, public policy, government legislator, and investigation hearings. We produce verbatim transcripts for our clients on fast turnarounds, so accuracy and typing speed are critical. Remote transcription work is a great opportunity to exercise your language, grammar, writing, and communication skills. Okay, let's transcribing for NCC is a flexible job. As long as you are maintaining the minimum required amount of audio minutes, you can decide when and where you want to work. So your computer must have Windows 7, OS X or higher, and high-speed internet connectivity. They will provide free transcription software and give you tips on how to improve your speed and accuracy. Minimum hours required is 3 hours of audio, which is 180 minutes per week. Based on our internal measurements, 3 hours of audio takes approximately 12 hours to transcribe. This is just an average. It may be more or less based on experience and your individual skills. The initial standard rate is $40 per audio hour after a brief training period, with the possibility of increased pay for same day, daytime availability based on consistency, reliability, and quality. Qualifications preferred but not necessary. So you can read through this list, but none of these qualifications are necessary at all. And pretty much when you want to apply, you'll click right here, remote transcription application. The second company we're looking at is Muckrack, and they are looking for a media research specialist. Muckrack is a leading SaaS platform for public relations and communications professionals. Our mission is to enable organizations to build trust, tell their stories, and demonstrate the unique value of earned media. Muckrack's public relation management platform enables organizations to build relationships with the media, manage crisis risk, and demonstrate PR's impact on business outcomes. So let's scroll down and look at the specifics of the position. What you'll do: you'll grow and maintain Muckrack's database of journalists and content producers and hit metric-based goals around growth and quality. Serve as a go-to person for user queries relating to our database and services. Become familiar with the public relations and journalism industries. Work closely with the product and tech teams to improve our platform. Have an opportunity to decide your own future and what responsibilities you'll have within the team. How success is measured: response time to user issues, number of requests closed, quick mastery of internal tools, and suggestions of upgrade ideas. If the details below describe you, you'll be a great fit for this role. 0 to 2 years of professional experience, attention to detail, and a preference for process and structure. You'll love to understand journalism, media, and have a background in media, public relations, customer service, and or research. Mountains of data don't intimidate you. Instead, they make you curious to dig deeper. You're a quick study and aren't afraid to think outside the box. Excellent communication skills, both written and verbal. Familiar with the tools we use: Google Apps, Intercom, Slack. You can't help but to be organized. So, the interview overview. This is great because a lot of companies don't provide this information. Below, you'll find the outline for the interview plan for this role. It'll be a 30-minute screening call, often takes less time, 1 hour peer panel interview with several team members, a skills assessment, 30 minutes max, peer interviews with several team members, final call with executive team members. Salary. The base salary for this role is $27 an hour. Total compensation for this role consists of base salary and quarterly bonus plan. We take a geo-neutral approach to compensation within the U.S., meaning that we pay based on job function and level, not location. For all other countries, we have competitive pay bands based on market standards. And to apply, You'll scroll down and you will fill out this form right here, attach your resume, and submit it. And the third company we're looking at is Mia Plaza, and they are looking for a customer service moderator. This is 100% remote within the US. This is a part-time or full-time job. The compensation is from $19 to $23 an hour. How you'll make an impact. As a Mia Plaza content moderator, you will play an important role in creating a safe and engaging learning environment for children. This position is focused on moderating text, artwork, and videos posted by children in our educational website community. What you'll do, you'll monitor and review a high volume of student-generated content to ensure adherence to community guidelines, provide feedback and address concerns for our students to maintain a positive and welcoming environment, stay updated on trends in pop culture, collaborate with the moderation management team and other moderators to develop, implement, and improve content moderation policies. You'll participate in training sessions on content moderation techniques and tools. You'll be a good fit if you have strong proficiency with technology, ability to stay up to date with current trends, ability to interact with children compassionately and patiently, access to a computer, understanding of online safety and child protection principles, excellent attention to detail, ability to work independently, strong problem solving and critical thinking skills, strong interpersonal and communication skills, a growth mindset, proven ability to work independently, highly motivated, proactive, and seeks opportunities for continuous improvement, and high standards of integrity and transparency. What makes you stand out? Prior experience in content moderation or community management, preferably in a child-focused environment. Your own unique talents, your background has given you a unique perspective and set of skills that might be listed here, but may still be transferable to this role. They may not be listed here, but transferable to this role, excuse me. If you don't meet 100% of the qualifications outlined above, we still strongly encourage you to apply. And scroll down. Here's more information. Here's your schedule. Let's talk about that. Moderators work 4-hour shifts with the option to work 2 back-to-back shifts in a day. Hours of operation are Sunday through Saturday, 3 a.m. to 7 p.m. Pacific. Candidates in the U.S. time zone are welcome to apply. Moderators begin on a part-time basis and have the opportunity to move in full-time capacity as they become more experienced. Ready to apply? Let's scroll down. Click here to apply.